Today we have to talk about the third part to assignment 9. And in this section of work, we learned about SPARKLINEs that you can insert into Excel. You can also do this in Word. However, we only did this in Excel this time. I think they're pretty cool. You see a bunch of numbers here, and it doesn't really say much. So when we can see these numbers visually by changing them into little spark lines that fit in a tiny cell, you can see all the numbers. This is genius. Here we have different candidates for the 2016 presidential election. And here are each of the months. There's a different part to assignment 9 that we also used this information. I personally do like the spark lines, but we were focusing on heat maps and tree maps in that one. This one is easy to understand. I highlighted here, we have spark lines and we have bar charts. So they're easy to read. And the highest and the lowest. In the bar chart, I used the highest highlighted in yellow and the lowest in red. They're very low, so it's hard to see. And we also, we can zoom in. There you go. And then on the line charts, it's easy to see the high I indicated here with a dot, and then the lowest point on each of them. So it's kind of interesting. Donald Trump is the winner of the 2016 election for the United States, and his spending was continual, and then a huge jump, and then it went up. Bernie Sanders was the next big candidate, kind of followed Trump's spending plan, and then Hillary Clinton spent quite a bit. She started earlier than all the other candidates that we're looking at right here, and went up high, pretty high, consistently with all the candidates. So it's pretty interesting to look at the numbers. They're kind of gross, but what a great way to see them here in these little spark lines. It'll really tell your story in a written thing or some kind of chart like this that you want to look at the data, and it's just a quick reference. So love the spark lines. So glad that we learned how to use them. Thank you.